I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa seeds. First, always rinse your quinoa thoroughly under cold running water for at least 30 seconds. This crucial step removes saponin, a natural coating that can make quinoa taste bitter. You'll want to use a fine mesh sieve to prevent any tiny seeds from escaping. This simple preparation ensures a clean, pleasant flavor for your finished dish. Once rinsed, combine 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. For a subtle flavor boost, add a small pinch of salt to the water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. This initial high heat helps kickstart the cooking process efficiently. Keep an eye on it to prevent boiling over, as quinoa can foam slightly. As soon as it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot tightly with a lid. It's important to maintain a consistent, gentle simmer. Resist the urge to lift the lid during this time, as it allows steam to escape, which is essential for proper cooking. Let it cook undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Let the quinoa rest for another 10 minutes. This allows it to steam further and become perfectly fluffy. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. You'll see beautiful, separate grains ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.